DeepSeek versus ChatGPT, China's AI challenge to OpenAI. Today we are putting China's new AI model, DeepSeek, to the test against ChatGPT to see which one comes out on top. DeepSeek has been making waves in the AI industry, and its competition with American AI technology is reshaping the global landscape. China has been investing heavily in AI research and development, and DeepSeek is a testament to that commitment. But how does it compare to ChatGPT, one of the most advanced AI models from OpenAI? Let's dive deep and find out. ChatGPT has set the gold standard for conversational AI. It excels in understanding natural language, engaging in meaningful conversations, and generating creative content. However, it also has several limitations, transparency issues. The decision-making process of ChatGPT is often opaque, making it difficult to understand why it generates certain responses. This lack of explainability can be risky in industries like healthcare and finance. Limited personalization. ChatGPT is a one-size-fits-all model that doesn't tailor responses based on individual user preferences. Resource-intensive training and running ChatGPT requires over 16,000 NVIDIA GPUs, making it costly and requiring enormous computing power. Bias and ethical concerns. Like all large AI models, ChatGPT can sometimes reflect biases from its training data, which raises concerns about fairness and reliability. These limitations create opportunities for new competitors like DeepSeek to challenge OpenAI's dominance. DeepSeek is China's latest AI model designed to tackle some of the biggest challenges faced by ChatGPT. Here's how DeepSeek stands out. First, cost-effectiveness and resource efficiency. DeepSeek is trained with only 2,000 NVIDIA GPUs, a fraction of the resources used for ChatGPT-4. The training cost for DeepSeek was $5.5 million, whereas GPT-4's cost is estimated to exceed $100 million. This makes DeepSeek a more scalable and affordable AI solution for businesses. Second, transparency and explainability. DeepSeek aims to be more transparent, making its decision-making process easier to interpret. This is a significant advantage, especially for industries that require high accountability, such as healthcare and finance. Third, learning from feedback and personalization. Unlike ChatGPT, which does not continuously learn from user interactions, DeepSeek has built-in mechanisms to improve itself over time. It can adapt and refine responses based on user feedback, making it more intelligent and user-specific. Lastly, performance in real-world tasks. In AI benchmark tests, DeepSeek has outperformed ChatGPT in specific areas like logical reasoning, problem-solving, and ethical decision-making. It's also faster and more efficient when processing large amounts of text for applications like content generation, translation, and summarization. Despite its strengths, DeepSeek has faced several controversies. First, allegations of training on ChatGPT data. Some reports suggest that DeepSeek used ChatGPT's responses to train its own model, raising ethical and legal concerns. Second, bans and national security risks. Australia and other countries have started banning DeepSeek from government systems, fearing potential data security risks and Chinese government influence over its AI models. Who wins, ChatGPT or DeepSeek? ChatGPT still holds the advantage in overall language understanding, versatility, and extensive dataset training. DeepSeek is emerging as a serious competitor, especially in areas like efficiency, adaptability, and affordability. The global AI competition between the US and China is only intensifying, and DeepSeek is just one of many AI advancements that could shape the future. So what do you think? Can DeepSeek challenge ChatGPT's dominance? Let me know in the comments. If you found this comparison interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.